There we go. Implement number 2.
Okay, I got Iron Mike in the shop here, and he was helping me get this thing organized, and he came up with an awesome idea, and we're going to roll with it. But tell me, what made you think of this, Mike?
Well, all this equipment's sitting here that we can't move by hand.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, like, you need your box blade, but it's behind everything, isn't it?
Yep. Well, I'm stacked 1, 2, 3, 4 implements deep right here.
Yeah, so if I come over here and grab a hold of this tiller, oh, I'm not moving it, am I?
Nope.
Hence the Kapper dollies.
Kapper dollies.
Yep, Kapper dollies. You set your implement right on there. These are 4x6. Everything you got in here will fit on these. They have locking casters. Two of the wheels lock. You can move them anywhere you want, anytime you want. Shuffle them around, get to the one you need. What do you think about that?
I think it's awesome. We ran out of time today to test them, but you guys will want to stay tuned to see that, because I'm really itching to try them out.
You and me both. You and me both.
So, and those casters are they're different sizes because Menards ran out, but
they're all heavy duty.
Yeah, they all, the minimum, the smallest ones hold 250 a piece, so they'll each hold at least 1,000 pounds. Yep. These dollies, so we're gonna give it a whirl.
So we should be good to go for everything.
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me show them the other one you made here, which we got to test out also. We got 5. We got one for the counterweight, right there. Just drop it on and wheel it around.
Yep.
All right, let's test out Mike's invention.
Let her down. There you go. You're out of here.
Oh, yeah.
How do you like that? And if we need to move it, it's got wheels. We just roll it. Okay. Yep. There you got it. That was just your bucket. Nope. Got high off of it. Is that as high as you can go? Okay, well that's pretty close. Set her down. See what happens. There we go. Implement number 2.
All right, so I just dropped it on. Let's see if it rolls, Mike. Well, you need somebody tough on there to roll it.
So where do you want to put it?
So let's put it right over there in front of that red mower over there.
Oh, we can get that, I think. It beats trying to drag it around the hand.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, you just slide it straight back. Nice. I mean, that's I think a 700 or 800 pound unit right there, that tiller. Oh, good work, man.
I believe it's going to work, Joe.
Yes, it is. A little more organizing and we'll have her finished up.
All right, guys, this is the big one. Let's see if it's going to sit on it. All right. Now that's what I'm talking about right there.
All right, we got us a combo platter here. Me and Mike were brainstorming. Actually, this is a trifecta. Because you can get the bucket from that side and the blade from this side, but we also built skids under it so that the forks will slide right under there. So let's see how that goes. All right, we got the triple stack going here. Let's see where Mike puts it out of the way.
Well, that's the way to move equipment right there.
That ain't half bad.
It ain't half bad.
So we got the triple stack there. We got the disc on its own cart. We got the tiller here. We got one more cart yet that was supposed to be for the tree spade back there, but we forgot about it. So we're probably going to call it a day for now. So big thanks to Iron Mike.
Hey.
Thanks a ton, Mike. I appreciate you prodding me, giving me the motivation that needed for you to come and get me going.
Hey, the other day when you needed your box blade, you'd have gotten it out with this.
Yeah, I would have. You're right, I would have, and I still need it for the driveway. Sweet, we're making progress, man. Just take a look at this bow bar now. From about, what, a week and a half ago, I think you started? Just huge, huge improvement.
Lots of room in here now.
A lot of floor space, a lot of walk-in space. Good idea, Mike. Fantastic. And these carts were each, let's see, $17 for plywood, probably 2 or 3 2x4 studs, and then the wheels were about $9 a piece. So, what, 50-ish? 50, $60 a piece. So if you got, well worth it. Yeah, you're right.
Well worth it.
You are right.
Now when you need something, you can get to it.
Yep.
Without Iron Mike coming over and helping, you just walk in
I
here and roll it
know.
around.
Now I just roll it.